Hello friends, welcome to our channel Agricos World. In this video, we are going to discuss some of the important MCQs from DNA, RNA and its replication. These questions are useful for JRF, SRF and other competitive exams related to agriculture. Now let's move on into our first question. Nucleic acid was discovered by. The nucleic acid was discovered by Mischer, but he termed it as nuclein. The term nucleic acid was given by Altman. Which of the following scientists concluded that DNA is the transforming principle? Avery, MacLeod, McCarthy concluded that DNA is the transforming principle while they were working on Diplococcus pneumonia. Who confirmed that DNA is the genetic material in virus? Hershey and Chase concluded that DNA is the genetic material in virus while they were working on T2-phage of E. coli. Which of the following provides the structural stability to the DNA? The absence of oxygen at the second position provides the structural stability to the DNA. Which of the following scientists worked on Streptococcus pneumonia? Griffith, Avery and Chase, all of these scientists have worked on Streptococcus pneumonia. Nucleic acids have acidic properties due to the presence of which of the following? The nucleic acids have the acidic properties due to the presence of the phosphate group. Which of the following is not a pyrimidine? When coming to the purines and pyrimidines, purines are the double ring membrane structures and purines are the single ring membrane structures. Purines are adenine and guanine, thymine, cytosine and uracil are the pyrimidines. Uracil is present only in the RNA. And in the options, adenine is a purine, so it is not a pyrimidine. Which of the following is not a two-ring membrane structure? As said earlier, purines are the two-ring membrane structures and pyrimidines are the single membrane structures. So the answer is uracil, which is a single membrane ring structure. 2-amino-6-oxypurine is. 2-amino-6-oxypurine is guanine, where thymine is 2,4-dioxy-5-methylpyrimidine, cytosine is 2-oxy-4-aminopyrimidine and uracil is 2,4-dioxypyrimidine. Complementary base pairing was proposed by. The complementary base pairing was proposed by Watson, whereas the wobble base pairing was proposed by Crick. Which of the following DNA are coiled together in left-handed helix? Z form of DNA is coiled together in left-handed helix, whereas the other forms of DNA are coiled in right-handed helix. The pitch of the helix in B form of DNA is. The pitch of helix in B form of DNA is 3.4 nanometers, in A form it is 2.8 nanometers and in Z form it is 4.5 nanometers. Which of the following DNA is present in dehydrated stage? A form of DNA is present where the humidity is less than 75%, so it is present in dehydrated stage. B form of DNA, which is most common, is present in humidity where there is 92% and where the salt concentration is high. And Z form of DNA is only present in vitro conditions. Number of base pairs per turn in Z form of DNA is. The number of base pairs per turn in Z form of DNA is 12. In B form of DNA it is 10 and in A form of DNA it is 11. At high temperatures and high pH, which type of DNA is formed? At high temperatures and high pH, single-stranded DNA is formed. Which of the following DNA has only a single deep groove? Z form of DNA has only a single deep groove. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following have the double-stranded DNA? When coming to the genetic material of the virus, it is mostly single-stranded RNA, but double-stranded DNA is present in cauliflower mosaic virus. Set of genes which remain active throughout the life are. Set of genes which remain active throughout the life are the housekeeping genes. Smallest type of RNA is. tRNA, that is the transfer RNA, is the smallest of all the RNAs. Ribose sugar has OH group at which position? The ribose sugar has OH group at second position and it is the major difference in the structure of DNA and RNA. Which RNA carries the information from nucleus to the cytoplasm? The mRNA, which is the messenger RNA, carries the information from nucleus to cytoplasm. Who first isolated DNA polymerase 1 enzyme? Korenberg is the scientist who has isolated the DNA polymerase 1 enzyme. A small chromosome segment which replicates as a single unit is called. A small chromosome segment which replicates as a single unit is called as replicon. The eukaryotic rRNA consists of which of the following subunits? The eukaryotic RNA is ATS type and it has subunits 60S and 40S. When it is a prokaryotic rRNA, it is 70S type and it has subunits 50S and 30S. Which of the following RNA is present in highest amount in the cell? Ribosomal RNA is present in highest amount, which is about 80%, and later it is the tRNA, which is 10 to 15%, and mRNA is the least, which is 5 to 10%. Taylor demonstrated semi-conservative replication in which of the following? Taylor is the scientist who has demonstrated the semi-conservative replication in Vicia faba in the root tip cells with the radioactive thymidine. The initiation of replication occurs at which nucleotide sequence? The initiation of replication occurs at a nucleotide sequence AT because A and T are joined by only 2 hydrogen bonds, which is easy to break than the GC bond. Which form of DNA is considered as the native form of DNA? When coming to the DNA, the native form is B form. In RNA, A form is considered as a native form. DNA replication is unidirectional in. The DNA replication is unidirectional in mitochondria and chloroplast, whereas it is bidirectional in eukaryotes. Small pieces of parental strands break and starts replicating and later join to form new DNA in which of the following? This type of replication takes place in dispersive model. In conservative model, 2 DNA molecules are formed, where one copy has the parental strands and the other copy has the newly synthesized strands. In semi-conservative model, the DNA has one parental strand and one newly synthesized strand. Meselson and Stale showed the semi-conservative method of replication in. Meselson and Stale have showed the semi-conservative model of replication in E. coli. The direction of replication of DNA is. The direction of replication of DNA is always in 5' and 3' direction. Which of the following DNA polymerase is used for DNA replication? For DNA replication, DNA polymerase 3 is used. DNA polymerase 1 removes the primers and it has gap filling and DNA repair activities, whereas DNA polymerase 2 is concerned with only the DNA repairs. Which of the following DNA polymerase has 5' 3' exonuclease activity? DNA polymerase 1 has the 5' 3' exonuclease activity, whereas all the DNA polymerases, that is 1, 2 and 3, have both the 5' 3' polymerase activity and 3' 5' exonuclease activity. RNA primase provides which of the following for DNA replication? The RNA primase provides the free 3-OH groups for the DNA replication, where the nucleotides can come and easily attach to it. Okazaki fragments are formed in which strand? Okazaki fragments are formed in the lagging strand, where it requires primers at each and every position of the fragment. In prokaryotic DNA chromosome, how many replicons are present? In prokaryotic DNA chromosome, only one replicon is present. Rolling circular model of DNA replication is seen in which type of DNA? The rolling circular model of DNA replication was proposed by Gilbert and Dressler, and it is seen in single-stranded DNA. Prokaryotic DNA replication takes place in. The prokaryotic DNA replication takes place in the cytoplasm, whereas the eukaryotic DNA replication takes place in the nucleus, that too in the S phase of the interphase. In PCR, the primer extension takes place at. PCR, that is the polymerized chain reaction, was developed by Kary Mullis, and it has denaturation which takes place at 94 degrees centigrade, annealing takes place at 40 to 60 degrees centigrade, and extension takes place at 72 degrees centigrade. So the answer is 72 degrees centigrade. For staying in tune with us, you can even join our WhatsApp group where the number is provided on the screen. Thank you friends. I hope you liked our video. If you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel AgriCourse World for more content related to agriculture.